Hi, my name is George and this is Mr. Uni.
Hey everybody, welcome back to XKUBE Connects. My name is George and this is Mr. Uni. Today we're introducing the new XKUBE 3D pen. What is a 3D pen, you might ask? Well, I'm sure you've heard of 3D printers. Automated machines that print out 3D objects based on the designs that you create. Generally, 3D printers can be in the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, depending on the type of printers you buy. Well, 3D pens, on the other hand, is a similar concept, except without automation. The world of 3D pens is at the tip of your fingers, and the limitation is only your imagination. All right, it's time to look inside the XKUBE 3D pen box. Mr. Uni, please do the honors. The XKUBE 3D pen comes in 4 colors. This one, for example, is a bit of a teal blue, but it also comes with purple, yellow, and I believe pink. That is the 3D pen, and it comes with that. Nice thing about this is it also comes with a stand. So you can put your 3D pen on there while it's hot. And you can see it also comes with the US-based power supply. It also comes with filament. Now this is a sample filament. It's not a lot. It comes in random colors. So each box is going to get different colors. In this case, you see yellow, green, and blue. This is PLA based. There's 2 different types, ABS as well as PLA. And this pen actually accepts both ABS and PLA. So with a 3D pen, you can create unique products such as this little tiny house here. It takes a couple of hours, depending on the type of product that you can find online. There's different stencils that you can find. You can create butterflies, you can create different types of 3D products. Why don't we give it a try? Let's demonstrate and see what we can create with a 3D pen. We have Mr. 3D here that's going to demonstrate. Right, Mr. 3D?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what we have here. We have the 3D hipster glasses. And he's going to use the 3D pen to make these glasses. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Like right here. We put it in here and we press the front button. And we wait until a new color comes out. Okay. Glasses is done. And I can bend out off. It's very hot. Third, show the connect. Easy part is what? Put it here, turn it on.
Wow, that looks pretty good, Mr. 3D. Awesome job. Give me a high five. Good job. Let's take a look at these glasses. Now, my head's a little big, but do I look sexy in these 3D glasses or what? Well, wasn't that fun? The 3D pen is now available. Couple things you want to watch out for. First thing is the tip can get really hot. So you want to make sure that if you're using it or if your children are using it, do not touch the tip. Or you can also buy a finger guard so that you can protect the fingers from touching the tip of the 3D pen. This is a great alternative to a 3D printer. It's affordable. You don't have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars. This can get you started. It's not meant to be a precise 3D printer, but if you're creative, you can create multiple creative things. You can download free stencils online and get started with that as well, as demonstrated in our demo. On top of that, it's also great for children that it's 6 or 7 or 8 years old and above, because it allows them to fine-tune their fine motor skills. This is a great opportunity for that. Let their imaginations run wild. Or for adults, you know, if you want to prototype, freestyle, create multiple things, you can actually get really creative with this. The 3D pen is now available on XKUBE. You can support us by buying through XKUBE. We're going to put the buying link in the description below. And in addition, we're going to put another link where you can download free stencils to get you started. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button as well as the big red subscribe button. And until the next review, please stay safe.